In recent years, Jupyter Notebooks have become the de facto way that data scientists explore and visualize their data. Yet current visualization libraries in Python requires users to write a substantial amount of code for plotting even a single visualization, which often hinders the flow of data exploration. To simplify the process of visual data exploration, we've developed a lightweight API called LOTS. LOTS recommends visualizations essentially for free to the users directly into their Jupyter Notebooks by helping them visualize their pandas data frames. LOTS features an intent language that allows users to specify their analysis intent in a sloppy manner, and LOTS automatically infers the unspecified details and determine appropriate visualization mappings. The intent can then be used to steer LOTS towards recommending visualizations that are relevant to their analysis, and the intent is also a quick and dirty way to visualize their data without having to think about what that visualization should look like. For more information, please check out our GitHub repo.